Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. Today is Thursday, July 16th. This is a free video. We are looking at Broadcom today. Now, Broadcom had been in this projected pullback since the beginning of June, coming all the way down, testing the 200-day simple moving average. About a week and a half ago, we started to rebound, made a brief retracement here, only to fail because we put in a higher low. We tried to hold support at the 50-day exponential moving average, but today market is really starting to fail. So you can see WinWave Pro was bearish. It became neutral in this bounce. We are looking at the WinWave Pro turning bearish again, and we're getting a momentum shift to the downside. If this pullback continues, I am looking for a retest of the 200-day simple moving average, roughly around 363. That's about 13 points lower. We're down over 4.5% today, and we could fall another 4% tomorrow. So be careful and just be aware that Broadcom and a lot of the AI space is weakening a little bit. Maybe it's just temporary, or maybe we're going to pull back again, retesting support. And then we'll see where we go from there. Okay? Be careful with Broadcom, AVGO.